Hey y'all, I want y'all to join me in my weekly routine, or shall I say my normal hair routine. Since I am getting a trim very soon, I wanted you guys to join me while I prep my hair. Right here, I'm showing you guys my Dr. Bronner's Peppermint Soap, my Aussie Moist Conditioner, and my Mielle Organics Deep Conditioner. Right here, I am making sure my hair strands are thoroughly wet to prep to wash my hair. Right here, I'll be showing y'all how I shampoo my hair. I will not be showing all the products that I use in the shower because this is a lot and my camera starts to fog up a little bit, but here you go. Right here, I'm showing you guys the consistency of this Dr. Bronner's very thin but very powerful soap. And the peppermint stimulate hair growth is the perfect shampoo for me. After washing, that's how much hair I lost, which is not too bad. Right here is the Mielle Organics Deep Conditioner, and I'll be using it to deep condition my hair. The moisture from the conditioner and then later from the deep conditioner really makes my curls pop. plastic cap or some sort on my head, and then a heating cap, and then I let the deep conditioner soak into my hair strands for at least 30 minutes. So I do wash and blow dry my hair to prep for the hair salon to get a trim, because I really trust my hairstylist to trim my hair. I don't trust anyone else. And he has arthritis, so it's hard for him to wash and blow dry hair. So I do it at home just so I can get a nice trim from him. Right here, I am showing you my Tresemme heat protectant that I use in my hair. And my John Frieda serum heat protectant. I then distribute the heat protectant in my hair strands by just rubbing it in with my hands, and then I use a wide tooth comb and I comb from the bottom up. Right here, I use the tension method with the hair dryer. I don't do too much combing or blow drying, like manipulating with the blow dryer. I just blow it and I just stretch my hair with my hands. That way I just get a more sleek, polished look. When I am about done, I just take all my hair together and I blow dry it, just trying to get out any dents from the hair ties and the waves from my curly hair. And yeah, and that's it. I am finally done prepping my hair, y'all, and this feels so good. I do love the blow dry look, and sometimes I do wear it out, like, well, not really wear it out, but I will do little styles, buns, and I'll put more oil in it if I wear it out like this during the spring. But it feels so good and airy, and the air and the wind get into my scalp. My hair is free of heat, or at least heat from the flat iron. It just feels so good. My hair sometimes need that break, but yeah, I will be getting my hair done the next day. So y'all will see me in the next video.
Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say,
you for watching, y'all. See you in the next one. Bye.